Good afternoon, children. Today, let us start our new lesson, integers. Integers. Okay. In this lesson, you will learn how to write a positive integer as a product of prime factors. Integers means the numbers, that is positive numbers, negative numbers and zero together are called integers. Positive numbers, negative numbers and zero together are called integers. Okay. In this lesson, you will learn about factors, multiples and primes. Primes means prime factors. Okay. And how to use prime factors to find a highest common factor and a lowest common multiple. Highest common factor and a lowest common multiple. Okay, any integer bigger than 1 is a prime number or can be written as a product of prime numbers. Any integer bigger than 1 is a prime number or can be written as a product of prime numbers. Let me explain this, children. Here, the number 46 can be written as 2 into 23. 2 into 23. Okay. Then 47 is a prime number. 47 is a prime number. And 49 can be write as 7 into 7. Okay. 50 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5. Then 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. We can use a factor tree to write an integer as a product of its prime factors. You already learned about this, children. So, any integer bigger than 1 is a prime number or either a prime number or can be written as a product of prime numbers. Okay. Prime numbers അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കതിനെ product of prime numbers ആക്കി മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും, which is known as prime factorization. We can use a factor tree to write an integer as a product of its prime factors. In this given examples, 46 is equal to 2 into 23, where 2 and 23 are prime factors, and 47 is a prime number. 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, where all numbers are prime numbers. 49 can be written as 7 into 7, where the factors are prime numbers. And 50 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5. This is known as prime factorization. Okay. Now we are going to find the LCM and HCF of 120 and 75. LCM and HCF of 120 and 75. Okay. Children, we can use a factor tree to find the prime factors of both numbers. Prime factors. For 120 can be split as 2 into 60. It can be split as 2 into 30. 30 can be split as 2 into 15. And 15 can be split as 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Okay. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 5 are the prime factors of 120. Next 75. 75 can be split as 3 into 25. Again 25 can split as 5 into 5. So here 3, 5 and 5 are the prime factors of 75. Okay. Now children, 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, 120. Then 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Children, here we are finding the LCM of 120 and 75 first. So 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. First write these factors in terms of its powers. 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the power of 3. 3 into 3 can be written as 3 to the power of 1, and 5 can be written as 5 to the power of 1. Okay. In 75, 3 can be written as 3 to the power of 1, and 5 can be written as 5 to the power of 2. So finding the LCM is, you should select the factors with highest frequency, okay, or larger frequency. Larger frequency means the factor having highest power. So children, here the power of 2 is 3. So we can take that 2 raised to 3. Okay. Then the power of 3 in both numbers are 1. So we can take 3. And the next factor 5. In 75, the power of 5 is 2. The power of 5 is 2. So we can choose that 5 to the power of 2. Okay. So children, the LCM of these numbers are 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 600. This is the LCM of these numbers. Okay. First, we have to factorize each number, that is, write each number in terms of its prime factors. You can use a factor tree method. Then choose the number with the larger frequency or the highest power. Okay, in 120, the power of 2 is 3. But there is no 2 in 75. So you can take 2 to the power of 3 first. Then check the other factors. 3 has the power 1 in both numbers. So take 3. Then select the other factor, that is 5. In 75, the power of 5 is 2. That is the larger frequency. Larger frequency means കൂടുതൽ വരുന്ന number. Okay. In 75, 5 is 2 times. So you can choose that also. So our LCM is 2 to the power of 3 into 3 into 5 to the power of 2. When we multiply these numbers, you will get 600 as answer. This is the LCM. Okay. Now we are going to find the HCF. 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now select the common factors. Common. Here in 120, 2 is a factor, but in 75 there is no 2, so we can't take 2. Okay, we can't take 2. Next, the common factor is 3. 3 is common in both. Next 5. Okay. So the HCF is equal to 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. HCF of 120 and 75 is 15. Okay. Now children, our next question is, write 330 as a product of prime numbers. 330 as a product of prime numbers. So split 330. You can split 330 like this, children. 10 into 33. 10 into 33. Now split this 10 as 2 and 5 and 33 as 3 and 11, because 3 into 11 is 33. Now at the end of each branch there are prime factors. So we can write 330 as 2 into, write in ascending order, 3 into 5 into 11. Okay. So first split 330 as 10 into 33. Then split 10 as 2 into 5 and 33 as 3 into 11. In this last branch, and at the end of this last branch, the numbers are prime numbers. Okay. So we can stop our work. Our next question is, match each number to a product of prime factors. Match each number to a product of prime factors. Okay. The first one, 20. 20 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 into 5. 20 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 into 5. Let us check this, children. 2 to the power of 2 means 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 means 4. 4 into 5. So 20 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let us check the second factors. 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 7, 42. So you can match like this, children. 42. Okay. Next, check the other factors. 2 raised to 2, that is 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 into 5. Okay. 2 to the power of 2 means 4. 4 into 3 to the power of 2 means 9. 3 into 3. 2 to the power of 2 means 2 into 2, 4. 3 to the power of 2 means 3 into 3, 9 into 5. Okay. Here our answer is 9 into 5, 4 into 9, 36. 36 into 5, 180. Okay. So you can match this to 180. Then our next factors are 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 5 into 5. This is 2 into 5 into 5 means 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 5, 50. So you can match like this. Okay. Next is 2 to the power of 3 into 3. 2 to the power of 3 into 3. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. that is 8. 8 into 3. 8 into 3 means 24. Okay. So children, here we are matching each number to its prime factors. Okay. Our next question is, work out the product of each set of prime factors. Here the factors are given, children. We have to find its products. So the given question is 3 to the power of 2 into 5 into 7. Okay. 3 to the power of 2 means 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay. So children, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 5 into 7, 45 into 7. You can multiply 45 and 7. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 carry over, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31. So our answer is 315. 315 is our answer. Okay. Similarly, you can find 2 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4 and 7 to the power of 2, 3 into 17 to the power of 2. Okay. You can find the product of each set of prime factors. Do it as a homework. So children, today you learn about factors and prime factors. Okay. We can find prime factors using prime factorization, that is using factor tree method. Then using prime factors we can find the LCM and HCF of given numbers also. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you.